infinity pool, a sunken lounge, and a designer kitchen. It is all inside plus a whole lot more. It's time to let us in. Home has such a strong exterior facade with this charred timber cladding, and it gives you a sense of some of the darker notes and very confident palette that we're going to see once we get inside. So the main bedroom is at the front of the property, and it's actually set down from the street. There's this fabulous texture on the walls and the ceiling, which we saw in the hallway as well. And this gives you a bit of sense for what's to come. This black vertical paneling with the bed head, a little touch of this stone detailing. And through here, very generous walk-through road into main ensuite. I love it in here. I love this dark stone. There's such a wonderful texture to it. I also really like that unexpected use of that white square mosaic tile. It freshens it up a little bit. It's quite playful and modern against some of these sophisticated materials. A very big bath. You know I love a bath. And like last time I did a tour, I physically couldn't get in the bath, so I'm gonna do it today. And yes, I am wearing shoes, so sue me. Oof. Yes, checks out. Good headrest as well. Good placement with the wall. And I really like the use of curtains. It's very extra to have curtains in the bathroom, but if you're gonna do it anywhere, this is a good place to do it in the main bathroom. They play beautifully with that stone. So the shower is tucked neatly behind here, as well as the toilet. There's no need for a shower screen, so it's always really nice and easy and seamless, which is exactly what you want. So this is the latest grand prize in the Royal Melbourne Hospital Home Lottery, and can I just say, this might have to be my favourite home yet. Big call, I know, but trust me, it's good. Through here, I have a very bougie powder room for you. One word comes to mind when I am in this room, and that's nightclub. Except it's my kind of nightclub because it's in the comfort of my own home, so I don't actually have to go anywhere. Perfect. There is plenty of natural light in this home. I love this very oversized window with that beautiful garden moment. So Nathan Burkett landscaping all throughout this home. He always does a wonderful job. But the party, guys, is really at the back of the home. You enter onto this open plan dining. I really do like these suspended sloped pendants that celebrate this dining table. And again, we're seeing more of this vertical paneling. But this, may I present, your own hidden bar. Welcome to the Burgundy Bar. How good is the colour? I just love it here. This burgundy rich notes with the tone of the stone, but also the way they've continued that colour through with the cabinetry, the mirrored detail, the integrated lighting. It's a moment. I mean, yes, you can shut it away, but if it was me, I'd have this open a lot of the time because, well, practicality reasons, easy access, but also I love to see that pop of colour. Before we get into the kitchen, I do want to take you into our sunken lounge. Well, hello. How fun is this room? It's so dark. So this black paneling has gone all the way up to the ceiling, and I'm so glad that they did that. So it's not just on the walls, they've really enveloped this entire room and made it feel like its very own retreat and private sanctuary. Very good feeling in this room. Let's head on back up into the kitchen. So look, it's a yes from me. It's a big yes. I really love this stone. This is the same that we saw in the bathroom, but here en masse, you get to see just how much movement is in this stone, and I can't stop looking at it. And I also can't stop touching it because it does still have that subtle texture. I like the way the island mimics directly here with the splashback and bench top, and the way they've continued up into the ceiling. We've got our hidden range hood, integrated lighting. It's all very seamless. We have also got this recessed induction cooktop into the stone. We have our dual V-Zug ovens, integrated fridge freezer, and it continues. It's very big. It's a very big kitchen because you've also got additional bench space with that windowed splashback. A lot of storage and cupboards, including hidden little pantry space, which I note there is also power here. So technically this could double as an appliance station. So we step down into this very impressive main living area. I love the flooring. I need to point out just how beautiful it is with this terrazzo tile and this inset carpet detail. So instead of actually having a rug, so it's very practical. I love the darkness of that green, and I really love these strong sculptural elements with the coffee tables as well. They sort of mimic what's happening with that kitchen island. It's very strong and robust, but I like that they chose a curved sofa because it just softens everything a little bit, and I do like that duotone of green. It makes it very cozy because this is also very cozy behind me. Freestanding fireplace, a good spot to be, and a wonderful aspect out onto that infinity pool. So we'll go take a closer look outside. You can do it, put your back into it. I like how this flows quite seamlessly. It's just an extension of that living area with our outdoor entertaining, a very enviable outdoor fire barbecue situation. And the exterior here feels so good. It's a lot lighter than the front, so it's a bit more of that rendered brick, but you still see that charred timber cladding and that beautiful gabled roof. A huge size. We're on a 750 square metre block, and I love the way that it's a lot of house, but they've also created a really good space for the garden. There's plenty of lawn. These wonderful magnolias are going to grow up beautifully, and I just love the sound of that infinity pool. It really brings a beautiful pop of colour to this garden. I wasn't going to skimp on showing you the laundry, guys. Sorry for that teaser. You can actually hide this laundry away. So very handy cavity slider there. A very different palette through here, very light and bright. You have the same square mosaic tiles that we saw in the bathroom, but a very different treatment. It's a high contrast to what's going on in the kitchen. Come through to the front again. Now before we get upstairs though, I do want to take you through to our very sophisticated mudroom, which leads on to double garage. You've also got storage galore. There's so many cupboards in this home. I like these cute little coat racks. It's quite the moment. So you've got 3 bedrooms upstairs. So this is probably one of the larger ones at the front of the property. Webster Architecture and Matt say they're always so good when they do their bedrooms and bathrooms. They're always so considered. So there's a lot of storage, there's a lot of wardrobe space, and of course, beautiful big en-suites. These all share a very neutral palette. This one in particular has a great skylight, picking up a lot of beautiful light and tone in those tiles. another living area. So this is the third living area in this home. Not too shabby at all. I love this green. Part of me really wants to grab a roller and like paint all of the walls, maybe even the ceiling, and make this a total green room. But hey, I'm not allowed to win this home. You guys are. So if you win it, let me know if you do it. Through here with a bedroom and bath, again, very considered, great size, wonderful wardrobes, and that neutral palette with the en-suites. What I really like about these upstairs en-suites is the fact that they do have a very classic palette to them in terms of the tone and the textures, but they do have that darker timber vanity just to link back to the rest of those darker notes in the home. So again, we have the final of our bedrooms through here. Bedroom, ensuite. And they've also made really good use of the hallway and made this really great dual working station using that dark timber cabinetry. So this is a 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom home in Camberwell in Melbourne's inner east, and it is the latest grand prize in the Royal Melbourne Hospital home lottery. Now the home, plus all the furnishings, the appliances, and a housewarming gift of $50,000 in gold come to a grand prize of $5.8 million, which officially makes it their biggest grand prize to date. Not to mention that I also think it's the best home ever, so just quietly, this is a good one. The standout in this Metze home is easily the ground floor towards the rear of this property where I'm sitting now. The kitchen, the bar, dining room, living room, that outdoor entertaining space, and that sunken lounge. All of these spaces just really talk to each other, and there's such an easy flow from room to room, yet they're all really clearly defined and well-considered zones in their own right. The kitchen is a hero with its really dark, confident palette. The cabinetry plays with two tones, that soft matte and then against that textured timber tone. There's subtle textures that also work with that really over-dominating stone that just takes your attention. You can't help but look at it and gravitate towards it. The shark nose detailing makes for a seamless, handle-free look, and that creates a very contemporary finish, and that is consistent throughout all the cabinetry in this home, including that beautiful and bougie burgundy bar. The heaviness of that stone doesn't just take your attention, it demands it. And the placement of that light well above is a really clever touch and a way to bring more light onto the texture and richness of that stone. Another key thread aside from the stone is also that black vertical cladding. We saw it in the bedroom. It comes through into the hallway with the staircase. It also is in that sunken lounge and that adjoining wall into the dining room. It sets the tone. It's very strong, and I just really love the consistency and attention to detail that they've carried through those materials throughout this home. You do need to buy a ticket to be in the running to win this grand prize. And by purchasing a home lottery ticket, you can feel proud to support the Royal Melbourne Hospital to continue their extraordinary work providing world-class medical research and care to those in need. If you buy your tickets before Friday the 6th of September, you could even win the $500,000 early bird prize. There's over $7.8 million worth in prizes up for grabs. Visit the Royal Melbourne Hospital Home Lottery website to get your tickets today. Good luck. You're still here. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this home tour. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe. We've got plenty more home tours coming your way.